What if managing your salary wasn't just about budgeting and saving, but about optimizing how and when your money moves? In a world of AI-driven market fluctuations and rising inflation, salary management has evolved. It's not just about how much you save anymore. It's about how quickly and strategically you move your money. In this video, we'll explore the top 8 smart ways to manage your salary better. These strategies go beyond traditional saving methods, focusing on leveraging technology and intelligent systems to make your money work harder, faster, and more efficiently. Let's dive into how you can optimize your salary management for greater financial success. 1. The zero-day yield sweep. One of the most effective ways to manage your salary is by implementing a zero-day yield sweep strategy. Instead of having your payroll deposited directly into a standard checking account, set it up to deposit into a tokenized treasury fund like Ondo or Matrix stock. These funds offer around 5.2% daily compounding interest with instant liquidity, meaning you can access your money whenever you need it, while still earning a significant return. The advantage of this strategy is that you earn a yield spread on the money that sits in your account for 15 to 30 days before being used to pay bills. Instead of letting your money sit idle, you're generating daily interest on your rent, utilities, and other regular expenses. Over time, this can add hundreds to your savings without any extra effort. The beauty of the zero-day yield sweep is that it puts your paycheck to work immediately, allowing you to earn more money while waiting to pay your bills. This simple shift in how you manage your salary can significantly enhance your savings growth and protect your money from inflation. 2. AI-driven bill smoothing. A common challenge in managing salary is dealing with fluctuating expenses, especially when you have annual or quarterly bills that vary in size. AI-driven bill smoothing is a strategy that automates a calculation of the true monthly cost of all your bills, whether they are annual, quarterly, or monthly. Apps like Chronicle or Monarch can calculate how much you need to set aside each paycheck to ensure you can always meet your bill obligations without any surprise shortfalls. This strategy works by creating a savings buffer for larger bills, such as insurance premiums, property taxes, or subscriptions. By automating the allocation of a specific slice of every paycheck into a locked vault for these bills, you avoid the stress of broke months caused by a large bill coming due. With AI managing this process, you don't have to worry about forgetting to set aside money for big expenses or being caught off guard. Bill smoothing makes salary management easier by ensuring that you always have funds available to pay your bills without interrupting your day-to-day spending. 3. The subscription kill switch audit. Over time, subscriptions can become ghost expenses, those that you no longer use or need but continue to drain your bank account each month. These zombie subscriptions, particularly those with stealth price hikes, can add up quickly and chip away at your salary. In fact, canceling just 3 $15 per month subscriptions can save you $540 per year, which could be better spent elsewhere. Using an AI-powered subscription auditor, like Rocket Money, can help you identify and eliminate these unnecessary payments. These apps scan your spending habits and alert you to subscriptions that have increased in price or are no longer serving a purpose. Once identified, you can easily cancel them, and the money that was once slipping away will now be redirected into more productive uses, like high-growth ETFs or savings accounts. The subscription kill switch audit helps you keep your expenses in check, reclaim lost capital, and optimize your salary for better financial health. 4. Reverse budgeting, the Pay Yourself First 2.0. Reverse budgeting is a modern take on the classic Pay Yourself First method. The idea is to prioritize your savings and investments before you pay for any bills or discretionary expenses. With reverse budgeting, you automate your investment and savings transfers to trigger 1 hour before your scheduled bills are paid. This strategy ensures that your future self is treated as a priority creditor, meaning you save or invest first before spending on non-essential items. If there's a shortfall in your salary after the automated transfers, you're forced to trim your lifestyle spending rather than skipping out on investing. Reverse budgeting ensures that your wealth-building efforts stay at the forefront, helping you develop a habit of prioritizing your financial future. By treating your investments as a mandatory payment and adjusting your discretionary spending accordingly, you increase your savings and build wealth over time, all while avoiding unnecessary spending. 5. The 72-hour friction digital barrier. One of the most effective ways to curb impulse spending is by introducing a digital barrier to purchasing. The 72-hour friction rule involves disabling the one-click checkout option on all retail apps and using a browser extension that enforces a mandatory 72-hour countdown for any non-essential purchase over $100. This simple strategy creates a cooling-off period, giving you time to reflect on whether the purchase is truly necessary. In 2026, targeted ads and algorithms have become incredibly effective at encouraging impulsive buying. The dopamine loop of one-click purchases and instant gratification can easily lead to overspending, but with the 72-hour friction rule in place, you break that cycle. The 72-hour friction rule is a simple yet powerful tool for regaining control over your spending and optimizing your salary for long-term wealth. 6. Interchange-free spending. One often overlooked aspect of salary management is the hidden fees associated with everyday spending. Traditional debit cards and credit cards often come with foreign transaction fees, merchant surcharges, and other convenience fees that can chip away at your salary without you even noticing. To avoid these hidden costs, move your daily spending to a Defy-linked debit card like Gnosis Pay. These Defy-linked cards bypass traditional banking systems, eliminating the 1% to 3% merchant fees and foreign exchange charges. By avoiding these hidden taxes, you effectively get a 2% tax-free raise on your existing salary. Over the course of a year, this can result in hundreds of dollars in savings. Plus, many Defy cards come with additional benefits, such as enhanced security and rewards programs, making them a smart choice for managing your salary and maximizing its value. Interchange-free spending helps you optimize every dollar of your salary, ensuring that you're not unknowingly giving a part of your earnings to unnecessary fees. 7. Dynamic tax alpha harvesting. Managing taxes effectively is crucial for salary optimization, especially in a volatile market. To optimize your salary for long-term wealth, many successful individuals turn to dynamic tax alpha harvesting. This strategy involves using robo-advisors that perform daily tax loss harvesting on your taxable brokerage account to offset capital gains with losses in real time. In a market that can swing dramatically, tax loss harvesting allows you to reduce your tax liability by selling investments at a loss and using those losses to offset gains in other areas of your portfolio. This can boost your annual net wealth by 1% to 2%, and when compounded over time, this small percentage increase can result in significant savings. By automating this process, you ensure that your salary is not only growing, but is being shielded from unnecessary tax burdens. Tax alpha harvesting helps you keep more of your income working for you and optimizing your overall financial situation. 8. The Human Capital Reinvestment Fund. In today's fast-paced, AI-driven world, your most valuable asset is often your earning potential. Successful people understand that reinvesting in their human capital, the skills, certifications, and networks that increase their earning power, is one of the best ways to maximize their salary. By consistently reinvesting in yourself, you not only stay relevant in an ever-changing job market, but also position yourself for salary growth and career advancement. The rapidly advancing world of AI and automation means that your skills could become outdated without continuous education. This fund allows you to upskill, attend industry conferences, or invest in personal coaching, ensuring that your earning potential remains high and resilient against market shifts. The Human Capital Reinvestment Fund is the ultimate way to protect and grow your salary over the long term. And there you have it, the top 8 smart ways to manage your salary better. By implementing these strategies, you can make your salary work harder for you, beat inflation, and optimize your spending and saving habits. Whether it's through AI-driven tools, strategic bill management, or reinvesting in your own human capital, these habits will help you secure a stronger financial future. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your salary and building long-term wealth. Let me know in the comments which strategy you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.